What's up, everybody? Welcome back to part 2 of the anti-Martingale hedging strategy that we're working on. So, finally got the code working. So, basically what we have up till now is this. So, as you can see, right, as soon as we call the go long, right, it places all of our orders for us. So when it was first called, price would have been, yeah, somewhere around here. It placed all of these orders for us. And then as we went up, it filled them. And it should show the names of each order and the quantity. Okay, so quantity 2 buy name is B-profit2. This quantity is 4 B-profit3. Quantity of 8. Okay, so yeah, that looks like it's working. So now we have 1/4 of what we need. Yeah, not sure it waited like an hour for end of day. But this is more of what you would expect, right? As soon as it opens and we can place the orders, we start to do. See here, we place them here, fill 3, but then we never take the highs and we don't fill it till later here. So, yeah. Okay, the strategy make it looks like it's killing it. Oh, actually, let's do this real quick. Let's change this to immediately submit synchronize account, and there we go. Yeah, that shows it better. So we are in, right, 1, add 2, 3, add 4, 7, add 8, 15, add another, wait, what? Okay, so this might be wrong with the contracts. No, because this is 2, 4, 8, 16. No, it's 1, 2, 4, 8. Yeah, this should have been 16. Okay, so that might be something we have to also work on. No, that's buying 16. Buys 8. So 2, 6, 14. Oh, 16. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's right. That's 30. Now, as we fill, we keep going. But now, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create the bottom martingales. That's right. Everything that would be. Can I draw? I don't know. But everything that would be, you know, like here, 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 all the way down. Then we're also going to do this thing, but the opposite for the sell side. And the drawdown martingales for the sell side. So, first, let's go through all the code. So, before we were using lists, but I don't know if NinjaTrader doesn't work with lists, but basically it just was not working. Not sure why, but we'll just stick to arrays because that's just what I've done before and I know how to use them. So we set our arrays, then in state.state config, we create our arrays, each of them with 9, basically creates an array with 9 placeholders. Then we added, we only want to start doing this logic when we are in a flat position. And then basically pretty similar to what we had before, right? Set our entry 1 to the close. We had to get rid of the for each loop. Now that I went through this again, I remember there's just like the for each loops just doesn't work or something. Not sure why. When I was printing I, it would like skip fours, like it was just skipping numbers and wasn't working as I wanted it to. So change this to a for loop. Then if I equals 1, essentially we return, but just did this. And then prints all this, which I no longer need. We find our next entry price, and then we set our next order. Now, though, from here, we now have an array storing all of our orders. So later, like if we need to edit the orders, which we will, to find out how many contracts we have, or something like that, we can just get the orders here. So we'll get to that later, but let's clean this up. So all right. Now from here, we're going to copy and paste. Now let's do short in profit. Create grid short profit. All right, so we need to change short entry prices profit. It's also going to be close 0. Contracts profit. Yep. Change this to short. Change this to short. Change that to short. Change this to short. And short. And then enter short stop market. Oh. I just remembered something that I would get the error on a lot with other strategies. Hopefully it works. All right, but let's test it first. So let's disable, close this. Okay, yeah, so it only does the longs. Of course, just 0 errors because NinjaTrader has a lot of work to do, but hopefully it works. But let's come back to the code, and in the set defaults, we need to do ignore overfill equals true, I think. Because I'm pretty sure overfill will prevent you from setting a long and a stop. Or yeah, it prevents you from setting some types of orders. This is stupid. But let's compile that. So after we compile to that, does not do anything. Let's remove it real quick and then put it back on. Sometimes in set defaults, it won't run that code again if the strategy is already on. Okay, so still did not see nothing in the log, but let's see if we comment out going longs. Let's see if we go short. We should be going short because oh, okay, yeah, it should be giving us an error. Why is it not? Oh, is that it? Yeah, that is it. It's just way down there. Okay, so we forgot to subtract the profit ticks. Right now we're trying to set sell limit orders or short stop market orders above the price. So we need to do minus here and compile that. Let's do strategies. Where did it go? All right, and there we go. Now that's exactly what we want. Beautiful. Now, oh, not sure if you guys will see that, but now we have this. Exactly what we want from here, right? It's stacking in as we go down. Now, let's come back here and call both of them at the same time. So this is going to be the kind of the make it or break it to see if this way of creating the strategy is going to work. So, looks like it does not. Okay. An enter method to submit an order at 11:27 has been ignored. Please search the internal. Okay. Internal order handling rules that reduce unwanted positions. Of course, it doesn't come up, but internal order rules. Oh, okay, here we go. Per unique signal name, so we should be fine. Or is that Okay. Horse an hour. Pressure position is flat. Okay, so I think, oh, that's not it either. I think this is it. Okay. So it's not. NinjaTrader can be so annoying sometimes. But it's not letting us set our orders. Alright, so did some testing, see if I can figure anything out. Couldn't. And to test, right, I wrote this code. Basically, as soon as we're not in position, we enter a long order and a short stop order. And as you can see in our strategies, right, we set it and still nothing. Go to 1 minute. All right, as soon as we got data in the close or whatever, we set our pending order here, and there should still be the short pending order because we never canceled it. And also you can see every single time is only the buy, the short is being ignored. So for the settings we currently have, looks like that's not going to be possible. So I'm going to email NinjaTrader support. And so until we figure out how we can put long and short stop orders in the same strategy, we won't be able to do that. But what we're going to do now is we're going to create the when they're in drawdown methods. And what we could do from that is what we can try and do is then create, right, we can create another property, a long or short grid, and then we just choose, and then we run two strategies of the same thing, one long, one short, and they trade against each other on the same account. That should work in theory, but we're not there yet. So let's now we'll copy these, and we're going to create a create grid short. Let's do long and drawdown. You don't have that, right? Yeah. We have long profit. Now I want long and drawdown. I'm going to put that here. All right. So now it's going to be our long entry prices drawdown equals close 0. Yes. So right now what we're working on is this quarter of the strategy. So basically the same. Should actually be pretty simple. Now we want to do contracts drawdown. The contracts draw count grid on draw. Right, so we're going to loop through those. Then if our long entry prices draw 1 is going to equal our long entry prices draw I minus 1 minus draw grid ticks. So then we're taking this value and subtracting, right, minus the drawdown grid ticks, which will then give us this price. Then our long entry, our long orders drawdown enter long stop market, true contracts drawdown I. So now we're going to be taking from this list contracts drawdown I, long entry prices drawdown, and then we'll do long drawdown plus I. Alright, so let's compile this. We're gonna comment out the short. And so now what we want to see is right, the same as before, but we want to have orders above and then more spaced out orders below. Well, actually, in this case, I think I have them set the same. Yeah, so it should be the same spacing. Let's do 50 and 50. Okay, so did not put our ones to the downside. Right, I already know why. Because they are not stop orders, they are limit orders. Enter long stop. Enter long limits. And there we go. Beautiful. So our original entry would have been here. Yeah, that looks good. Now taking 2, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. So then let's also okay, yeah, let's add one thing real quick. And that is gonna be run on this. Actually, we'll do, yeah, run on historical. We're gonna do bool run historical. Default gonna be false. So right, whenever you load the strategy up, you don't want to start it, with 7, because what it'll do, it'll enter right where market is now. We only wanted it at these entries. So we don't want this. We always want it to be setting orders from the most current price. So what we'll do is if state equals state dot historical and run historical is not true, then we return. That compile, run on historical, no. And so now on the next bar, which is in 30 seconds, it's 29. On the next bar, oh shoot, can you even see this? Oh yeah. Right. So I forgot to change it, but we've just put this, right? We changed this to a long limit, and then we added run on historical. That's all we did. So that now, as soon as this new bar is printed, it's still 629. It should set, then it should set the orders and everything. If you do it to yes or on historical as true, then it'll, you know, enter before, and there we go. Perfect. So now let's how long is this? 27 minutes. Yeah, I think that'll be it for this video. So I will email NinjaTrader support, see if there's a solution, see what is happening. And if there's not a solution, then what we will do is we will have a long version and a short version running at the exact same time. So obviously in this case, all you would be doing is paying commissions. Actually, no, because the contracts are different sizing. But yeah. And then we also need to add our exit logic, which should be pretty simple, I think. Yeah. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Hopefully there is a way to do it, because it's just annoying that NinjaTrader has these dumb built-in rules. Create grid. Okay. Yeah, actually, let's create our short drawdown real quick, just so we have it ready. Short drawdown, short entry prices, drawdown, contracts, drawdown, short entry prices, drawdown, short entry prices, I-1, drawdown. Now we want to add the drawdown grid ticks, short entry prices, drawdown, enter short limit at contracts drawdown, and short entry prices drawdown short drawdown plus I short entry orders draw. Now let's comment out the longs and create grid short drawdown. and test if the shorts are working. Oh, did not mean to keep that. Recompile. Come back over here, close everything. It's only going to run on real-time bars. Let's go to the 15 seconds. And there we go. Yeah, now we are in cells. And then, yeah, now it's easier to see that the idea would be if we take this position and we hit TP. If not, Control 4. We come here, then we're gonna move a TP here. Same thing like that. And so we trail a TP. If we come this way, we're gonna have a trailing stop loss. So if it comes here, then we get taken out there, and you know, like that. So basically, you expose yourself to a huge potential win, right? If the market moves fast in one way, and a maybe break even or small loss or even a small win if the market moves this way. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we're starting to get somewhere with this. So hope you enjoyed it. Take care and peace.